There's a simple drink you can make in less than 2 minutes. A drink that quietly works while you sleep, helping you drift into deep, uninterrupted rest, and activating your body's natural fat-burning system, all while you're completely unaware. Most people have these ingredients in their kitchen right now, but very few know how to combine them the right way to unlock this powerful effect. In this video, I'll show you how this bedtime drink can help you sleep deeper, burn more fat, and wake up feeling lighter and more energized, naturally. Let's get into it. Welcome to Awesome Natural, your trusted space for simple, natural solutions that help you feel better, live better, and thrive every day. If you're looking for easy, science-backed ways to support your health, balance your body, and live naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a powerful bedtime drink made from chamomile, lemon, cinnamon, and apple cider vinegar. This simple combination can do more than just help you relax. It can actually support your neurological fat-burning processes while you sleep. Stay with me to the end to learn how this drink improves your sleep, supports your metabolism, and why making this part of your nighttime routine could change everything. First, let's talk about why what you do before bed matters. Your body doesn't shut down when you sleep. In fact, it's working hard behind the scenes to repair, regulate, and reset. This is when your brain consolidates memory, your hormones rebalance, and your metabolism gets to work. Drinking the right combination of natural ingredients before bed can not only improve your sleep quality, it can also stimulate key neurological pathways that encourage fat breakdown and energy regulation during deep sleep phases. The ingredients we're about to explore have been used for centuries to calm the body, reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and trigger fat-burning mechanisms, all while you rest. Let's start with chamomile. Chamomile is a well-known herbal tea that contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in your brain, promoting sleepiness and reducing insomnia. But chamomile does more than help you fall asleep. Studies suggest it also has mild thermogenic properties, meaning it may subtly support your body's calorie-burning processes. It helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that often blocks fat loss. When cortisol levels are balanced, your body can more effectively tap into fat stores overnight. Chamomile also calms the nervous system, helping your body enter deeper, more restorative stages of sleep, which is when fat burning and cellular repair peak. Next, let's look at lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that support liver function and aid in overnight detoxification. When consumed at bedtime, lemon can help regulate digestion and promote alkalinity in the body, despite its acidic taste. The citric acid in lemon stimulates enzymes that support metabolic processes and fat breakdown. It can also help balance blood sugar levels, which is crucial for reducing overnight fat storage. Lemon's refreshing scent and natural compounds also support the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which promotes relaxation and can indirectly assist with fat burning by improving sleep quality. Now let's talk about cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful natural blood sugar regulators. It slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system and improves insulin sensitivity. Why does this matter? Stable blood sugar levels at night prevent insulin spikes that can block fat burning and trigger fat storage. Cinnamon's natural thermogenic effect can slightly increase your body's core temperature, helping to boost metabolism while you sleep. It's also been shown to support brain function and may help stimulate neurological activity that promotes fat utilization overnight. Plus, cinnamon's warm, comforting aroma can help you feel cozy and relaxed as you wind down. Finally, we have apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, especially when consumed in small amounts before bed, can help control cravings, support digestion, and improve insulin sensitivity. Its acetic acid content is known to enhance fat-burning genes and stimulate enzymes that help the body break down fats more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar also plays a role in lowering fasting blood sugar levels, reducing overnight fat storage, and encouraging the body to burn fat as fuel while you sleep. When combined with chamomile, lemon, and cinnamon, apple cider vinegar creates a synergistic effect that calms the nervous system, stabilizes metabolism, and supports the neurological signals that activate fat-burning pathways. Here's a simple way to make this bedtime drink. 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Juice from half a lemon. Half a teaspoon of organic cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, preferably with the mother. Optional, a teaspoon of raw honey for taste. Mix well and drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and activate the calming, fat-burning, and restorative effects just in time for sleep. Like all natural solutions, consistency is everything. Drinking this once won't magically melt fat overnight, but when you make it a nightly habit, you'll likely notice improvements in sleep quality, morning energy levels, reduced bloating, better digestion, and gradual fat loss over time. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to support your body's overnight healing and fat-burning processes. Thank you for spending time with us today on Awesome Natural. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more natural wellness tips like this. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these ingredients before bedtime? Share your experience in the comments below. For more simple, natural health solutions, be sure to check out our other videos and resources. Until next time, stay well, stay natural, and remember, small, consistent changes can create incredible results.